It's Vlogmas 2019. Hey, 2019. It's Vlogmas 2019. Sit back, enjoy. Hey, it's day 14 of Vlogmas. 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 Hey, Kareful Keith back in this. You guys, today I am going to be doing the no thumbs 5 minutes double cheeseburger challenge by the PR gang. I'll tell you what I got on my burger. My lip is bleeding, so if you see blood, because I don't know if I'm going to include that in. I was trying to wrap my hand, so I thought that it would be a good idea to put the tape on my lip to try to get it going, and to pull it wasn't a good idea. What I have on my burger is spinach, ketchup, mayo, mustard, cheese, and onions. Good, you can see it, but it's stacked up pretty high, y'all. It is. So, from what I've seen, you have 5 minutes to do this. I was called out by none other than Criss Kay. I'm going to set my timer with Google, but I'm also going to set a physical timer. So, whenever I get done, if I finish, I'll be able to walk up to the camera and show you guys what it looks like. You guys ready? Uh-oh, I done set it. Okay, that says 5, yeah. Hey Google, set me a stopwatch for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Go, you guys. Oh, say it. Okay. So you can't use your thumbs. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Why am I leaning forward like it's gonna help? I think I'm doing pretty good. Yeah. I ain't even got a minute yet. I gotta win one of these challenges. Yeah, my burger done fell apart. It's all good. We got it. You got it. We got this, y'all. We sure do. We got it. Yup. This is one. We're gonna be able to say we won. Ha ha ha. This is the last of the burger, y'all. Or the double cheeseburger. What I had was 2 Beyond Beef, 2 Beyond Meat patties. That's what I had. Y'all, I finished. Still got a minute and 42 seconds left. Oh, I'm done, right? Oh, uh-oh. I didn't think to get scissors. Got this. Who got this? Kareful Keith, you guys. We got. It's taking a long time for them 5 minutes to be up. Because this was light work. I ain't gonna lie to you. When I originally. I know y'all probably was like, he finna wipe his mouth with that. He just got off the floor. No, I'm not. But when I originally came home, you guys, I was like, what can I do for Vlogmas that is gonna be fairly quick and easy? Plus, I'm hungry. So I decided to do this. So shout out to PR Gang, Criss Kay and Rayshawn. I'm gonna leave the link to their video when they did it down in the description box. Hey Google, you can stop the stopwatch. Thank you. I'm gonna leave their info. Criss and Kay, that's who called me out. I'm gonna leave their info down in my description box below, also to their video. Who do I want to call out to do this? Let's see. The I Love Lisa Michelle show. My boy Jay Blast. Much love. Yeah. So. Ooh. So those are the people I'm calling out, you guys. As you've seen it, I actually completed it before the 5 minutes was even up. So this is a win for me. I took the W on this and not the L because my winning streak isn't going too well. I keep losing, especially things that I create on my own, but that's okay. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on tomorrow on day number 15 of Vlogmas. Peace!